If you spend a lot of time driving, whether it's daily commuting, road trips, or just keeping your car organized, then the right car gadgets can make a huge difference. I've researched dozens of practical, affordable, and genuinely useful car accessories, and in this video, I'm breaking down the 20 best car gadgets worth considering right now. Let's start with a few gadgets that improve connectivity, comfort, and everyday convenience. Number 1. SYNCWIRE Bluetooth FM Transmitter Car Adapter. The SYNCWIRE Bluetooth FM transmitter is a great solution for older cars that don't have built-in Bluetooth. It plugs directly into your car's power socket and lets you stream music, take hands-free calls, and charge devices, all from one compact unit. The noise cancellation technology, which helps keep call quality clear even while driving. The seamless auto connection means your phone reconnects automatically when you start the car, and the safe fast charging support is ideal for keeping your devices powered on long drives. Number 2. Hiseanllo Car Seat Gap Filler. The Hiseanllo Car Seat Gap Filler solves one of the most common driving annoyances: items falling into the gap between the seat and the center console. It's easy to install, made from scratch-resistant PU leather, and has a waterproof surface, which makes it simple to clean. Once installed, it blends in nicely with most car interiors while preventing phones, keys, coins, and cards from disappearing mid-drive. Number 3. Hiseanllo Car Rearview Mirror Wiper. The Hiseanllo Rearview Mirror Wiper is a simple but clever gadget designed to improve visibility during rain or foggy conditions. It features a soft rubber blade that won't scratch your mirrors and a compact handle that's easy to store in your door pocket or glove box. With its 9-inch blade length, it's effective for quickly clearing water, dirt, or condensation from side mirrors. For drivers who deal with frequent rain or humidity, this tool can be a real visibility saver. Number 4. PiSFAU 200-watt car power inverter. The PiSFAU 200-watt car power inverter turns your vehicle into a small mobile power station. It plugs into your car's DC power socket and allows you to power laptops, cameras, small appliances, or charge multiple devices on the go. Despite its compact size, it delivers 200 watts of power, making it ideal for road trips, work from car setups, or emergency situations. Its lightweight design means it doesn't take up much space, yet it adds a lot of flexibility. If you rely on electronics while traveling, this inverter is a very practical car gadget to have. Number 5. Augeny USB LED Car Interior Atmosphere Lamp. The Augeny USB LED Interior Atmosphere Lamp is designed for drivers who want to add subtle style to their car's interior. It plugs into a USB port and offers multiple color options, allowing you to customize the mood inside your vehicle. The lamp is waterproof, dustproof, and runs on low-voltage power, making it safe for long-term use. While it doesn't affect performance, it's a nice aesthetic upgrade, especially for night driving or anyone who enjoys a personalized cabin vibe. Number 6. LISEN Backseat iPad Holder. The LISEN Backseat iPad Holder is a smart upgrade for anyone who travels with passengers. especially kids or frequent road trippers. It features a fully adjustable, foldable design with 360-degree rotation, allowing you to position a tablet at the perfect viewing angle. The non-slip and ergonomic build keeps devices stable, even on rough roads, while still allowing full touchscreen access. This holder is ideal for long drives, making backseat entertainment more comfortable and reducing the need to hold devices by hand. Number 7. Car Air Freshener. If you prefer a clean, premium scent instead of overpowering chemical smells, the Car Air Freshener is worth considering. It uses a teak fragrance that's subtle and refined, designed to last for an extended period rather than fading quickly. The compact minimalist design blends naturally into the car interior without feeling distracting or bulky. This is a good choice for drivers who want their car to smell fresh without constant replacements or artificial odors. Number 8. Fitosy Car Interior Duster Detail Brush. The Fitosy Interior Duster Detail Brush is made for keeping your dashboard, vents, and tight spaces clean without scratching surfaces. Its super soft bristles are designed to reach no dead corner areas, making it effective for vents, buttons, and trim edges. It's easy to use, requires no cleaning solutions, and is simple to store when not in use. For quick touch-ups and maintaining a dust-free interior, this brush is a simple but effective cleaning tool. Number 9. Miracase Car Phone Holder. The Miracase Car Phone Holder is built for stability and ease of use, even on bumpy roads. It features a military-grade metal hook that locks securely into your air vent, preventing slipping or falling. The one-hand operation makes it easy to mount or remove your phone, and the 360-degree flexible rotation helps you find the ideal viewing angle. It supports thick cases and larger phones, making it a reliable option for drivers who need a hands-free navigation setup without worrying about constant readjustment. Number 10. LIHAN USB-C Bluetooth Car Adapter. The LIHAN USB-C Bluetooth Car Adapter is a feature-packed gadget that combines connectivity, charging, and lighting in one compact device. It functions as a Bluetooth FM transmitter, allowing hands-free calls and wireless music streaming, while also delivering fast charging with PD and QC support. Up to 48 watts of output. The 7 LED breathing backlight adds a subtle visual touch, especially during night driving. Number 11. Saucemoto Dip Clip Sauce Holder. The Saucemoto Dip Clip is one of those fun but surprisingly practical car gadgets, especially for people who eat on the go. It clips securely onto your car's air vent and holds sauce cups upright, helping prevent spills while driving. It's lightweight, easy to attach, and compatible with most standard sauce containers from fast food restaurants. If you spend a lot of time on the road and don't want ketchup or dipping sauce accidents, this simple accessory adds both convenience and peace of mind. Number 12. JUSTTOP Car Steering Wheel Desk. The JUSTTOP Car Steering Wheel Desk turns your steering wheel into a compact, portable workspace or eating surface. It's made from sturdy ABS material and features a flat rectangular design that provides enough space for a laptop, tablet, notebook, or meal. Installation is quick, just hook it onto the steering wheel when parked. This gadget is ideal for road trips, remote work breaks, or anyone who needs a stable surface inside their vehicle without carrying a full-size desk. Number 13. KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner. The KMM Handheld Car Vacuum Cleaner is designed for quick and efficient interior cleaning without cords getting in the way. It's cordless, rechargeable, and portable, with strong suction power for removing dirt, crumbs, pet hair, and dust from seats and floor mats. The washable filter helps reduce long-term maintenance costs, and the 30-minute battery life is more than enough for a full car clean. With a relatively low noise level of 60 decibels, this vacuum is a solid option for keeping your car interior clean without making a mess or a lot of noise. Number 14. Costop Cord Organizer Holder. The Costop Cord Organizer Holder is perfect for anyone tired of tangled cables inside their car. It works with a wide range of cords, including Type-C, Lightning, USB, HDMI, and charging cables, helping keep everything neatly in place. The compact design sticks easily to surfaces and comes in multiple colors and pack options. This is a small but highly practical accessory that helps maintain a clean, clutter-free car interior, especially useful if multiple devices are used daily. Number 15. Chemical Guys Car Interior Cleaner. The Chemical Guys Car Interior Cleaner is a trusted solution for cleaning and protecting interior surfaces. It's designed to safely clean dashboards, door panels, seats, and trim while leaving a fresh scent behind. The spray formula helps remove dirt and grime without damaging delicate surfaces, and it's available in multiple sizes depending on your needs. For drivers who want a professional-level clean without complicated steps, this cleaner is a reliable choice. Number 16. KOUNATSURI Car Door Handle. The KOUNATSURI car door handle is a simple upgrade that adds both style and durability to your vehicle. Made from aluminum and alloy steel, it's designed to be anti-rust and anti-corrosion, making it suitable for long-term use in different weather conditions. The pull handle design provides a solid grip and can help reduce wear on factory door handles. If you want a subtle exterior upgrade that improves both function and appearance, this handle is a solid option. Number 17. Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover. The Analan Mini Pet Hair Remover is a must-have for pet owners who frequently drive with their furry companions. It's lightweight, reusable, and designed to lift pet hair from seats, carpets, and upholstery without adhesives or power. The compact size makes it easy to store in the glove box or center console. For quick cleanups between deep cleans, this tool is simple, effective, and travel-friendly. Number 18. Amazon Basics Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. Amazon Basics microfiber cleaning cloths are a reliable staple for car care and general cleaning. They're durable, reusable, and washable, making them a cost-effective option for long-term use. The microfiber material is gentle on surfaces while still being effective at picking up dust, dirt, and moisture. If you're wiping down dashboards, windows, or exterior surfaces, these cloths are versatile and easy to keep on hand. Number 19. Bicboz Car Finger Light. The Bicboz Car Finger Light is a fun and functional gadget that adds extra visibility inside your vehicle. It features LED lighting, runs on 12 volts, and is waterproof, making it suitable for various car environments. The compact design makes it useful for lighting small areas, adding accent lighting, or enhancing visibility during nighttime use. This is a great pick for drivers who enjoy unique car accessories or want an extra touch of personality inside their vehicle. Number 20. UrrSovv Car Diffuser Humidifier. The UrrSovv Car Diffuser Humidifier combines aroma diffusion with light humidification in a compact, portable design. It holds up to 100 milliliters, operates via USB power, and runs quietly at low wattage. This makes it ideal for adding moisture to dry air, while also allowing you to enjoy your preferred scent during long drives. If comfort and cabin atmosphere matter to you, this diffuser is a nice finishing touch for your car setup. Those were the 20 best car gadgets that stood out based on features, practicality, and overall value. I've added all the product links in the description, so feel free to check them out and see which ones fit your needs and budget best. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and let me know in the comments which car gadget you'd add to your ride first.